Hey guys, my name is Ashley. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello plant friends. So today I'm going to go over how I clean the leaves of my plants. I'll tell you guys exactly what solution I use and how I do it. I've collected all the plants that I want to clean the leaves of here so that you can kind of see me go through the process, and then yeah, I guess we'll just get into it. This is not a solution that I use to prevent or treat pests at all. This is to clean leaves. Over time, dust will collect on your plant's leaves, or there could be like watermarks when you water them. So this is a great way to get rid of all of that. And it's important to do this for your plants because they use their leaves to absorb light so that they can create food for themselves. And they can't do that if the leaves are completely covered in dirt. So doing this is really beneficial for your plants because it can help them to grow better and just be much happier, I think. Plus the leaves just look so much better when you do this, so I highly recommend doing this. So then I have my solution right here, and basically this solution is about, I would say, half or 2/3 water, and then the other part of that is either some type of citrus juice, so it could be lemon juice or lime juice, and you could take this out of a bottle from a grocery store or from squeezing it fresh. And then another thing you can do is apple cider vinegar. Today, my solution has apple cider vinegar and lemon juice just because I only had a little bit of apple cider vinegar left and I just wanted to use it up. And then I had some lemons cut in the fridge, so I just squeezed those in there. But it could just be just the citrus juice or just apple cider vinegar. Both work really well. I have a cloth. You could definitely use paper towel. I prefer to use a cloth just because then it's creating less waste. And you could also use a microfiber cloth, which would probably also work really well. And literally what I do is I just dab my towel in my solution, just squeeze it off a little bit, maybe get a little more. Make sure it's not just like dripping wet, but that it's saturated. And then I'm just going to show you right here exactly how I do it. So I wipe from the petioles to the tip of the leaf, and I just go with the veining of the leaf. And I do the top and the bottom of the leaves, and once it dries, it's gonna be so much prettier. There's only one plant that I didn't grab because I had just recently treated it for thrips, and I don't want to get the neem oil off the leaves because I want the neem oil to stay there in case there are pests, then they eat the neem oil that's on the leaves, which will kill them. And additionally, if there are like eggs on the leaves or something, like in a case of like spider mites, I don't want to wipe the eggs onto my towel and then wipe them onto other plants. So just a good rule of thumb to maybe not do it on plants that you've recently treated for pests. These little leaves are so cute. This is my peperomia Hope. Anna has made a surprise visit. Say hello, Anna. And you don't have to clean the bottoms of the leaves. I just like doing it. I don't do it on all of them just because it can be kind of difficult. Like this one, these leaves are really tiny, so it would be hard, but I can see that there's visible dust. This is honestly a super tedious process, but it's definitely worth it. I'm also doing this in like shifts because I have so many plants, and there are definitely other plants besides the ones that I have here that need to be cleaned. But because there are so many, it would literally take me like hours to do this. Well, not hours, but it would take a long time, and I don't have a lot of time today, so I'm just doing the ones that were like really bad or I haven't done in a while. So I'll do this probably like, because I'm lazy, it's like every other month. I don't do it super consistently. I just do it when I notice there's like several plants that have really dirty leaves because, you know, gotta watch out for my babes. This can honestly be very meditative. One thing that I struggle with, like if a plant has a lot of leaves, I will redo some of the leaves because I can't tell which ones have been done or not because it'll dry by the time I get back to where I started. Okay guys, I think I'm probably gonna clean the rest of these off camera just because I have a lot and you don't wanna sit here watching me clean all these for like an hour. If you have any questions about how to do this, just let me know. If you have any ideas for future videos, also comment down below or message me. Probably should have shown you guys a before, but here's the after. As you can see, everything looks super shiny and beautiful. They all look very nice and clean, and I'm very happy with how they look. One more thing, if you have solution that's left over, this can easily just be put in your fridge and you can save it for the next time you have some time to do it. I'm literally just gonna toss this in the fridge, and then next time I have some free time to do this, I will just pull this out and repeat the same process. Thank you so much for watching the video to this point if you have. If you liked the video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited to keep making content like this for you guys, so I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Peace.